an insightful session. So next up, I will be calling Omotola Eunice. She'll be sharing, she'll be sharing us how we can put ourselves forward as a woman in open source. Please keep clapping until she gets here. Look at how elegant she is. Women in open source, we are with the source too, you know? Women with the open source with the source. Thank you very much, Amotola.
I'm going to forgive Bami for asking me to wake up in the middle of the night to prepare slide. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about how to maximize our uniqueness as women in open source. How do I start? So we've heard what the panelists mentioned about different ways where how they got into open source, how they are benefiting from open source, and now you can as well benefit, right? But there is this problem, and I think this session is inspired by some things that happened months ago. The advocacy is there that there is a space for you in tech, right? And most women want to come into tech to, you know, be themselves, do a lot of things. But when you share opportunity with these ladies, or with us as women, we tend to, number one, the other gender will feel like, oh, she got the opportunity because she's a woman, right? She got it because she's a woman. And we as women will also make them believe that that is true, because there are some women that don't put in their best even after getting this opportunity. You now make all this narrative that we are trying to clear, that, oh, the fact that I'm a mom in tech, the fact that I have to do my makeup before I go to work doesn't mean I cannot do my work. Some women are taking these opportunities for granted. So I'm here to just explain to us and energize us and ask us to take action. So the first thing I want all as women in tech to do is know why you join tech. It might be for the money. It might be any reason, but have a goal. Your goal should be what is making you to run or move or crawl anyhow you want to. You are free to use your own way, but have a goal. Have unique strategies that you are going to be using. Your strategy might be different from Blessing Zone, just the way our panelists mentioned. Some persons started contributing, they don't even know what to do. And some persons already have this career path they want to follow. So have your own unique way that you want to use. And please be kind to yourself. The fact that Bami is already working for Tunga doesn't mean you have to start tech today and you want to get that full-time job tomorrow. So be kind to yourself. Start slow and steady, but let your goal and the strategies that you set in place for yourself move you to go forward. And most importantly, please, whenever you get any opportunity, please prove yourself. Please prove yourself. It's not going to be easy. Like, tech is not easy. I mentioned that I woke up 3 a.m. today to prepare slide. Somebody was telling me the other day that earlier today, that she woke up earlier, I think around 2, to do some tasks. It's not going to be easy. It is not easy. But you can do it. If Ruth can do it, if Bami can do it, if Anita can do it, if Omotola can do it, you can do it. On days when you feel like not showing up, on days when you feel like maybe menstrual cramps or other factors that are making you to, you know, as women, we face a lot of things, right? Inspire yourself. Go back to your goal. This is something I do often. I'm going to say, I have to do this task because I can never be poor. So go back to your reason, your why. Why did I go into tech? And when you feel like even your reasons are not enough, I reach out to people that I look up to. I reach out to Eddie Dong very well. In fact, I disturb her very well. Like, reach out to someone to inspire you, because sometimes your energy might not be enough for yourself. You just need someone to tell you that you're actually doing great, to remind you of who you are. And there's so many beautiful things you've been doing already, and to energize you, to tell you you can do it. Finally, I want to give everybody tasks today. I know this festival started 2 days ago, right? But for today, or for the remaining parts of this program, I need us to take action. Where you are seated, or when the program starts, when the speakers start talking, remind yourself of why you joined tech, and make a commitment to do better. And it's not just about the technical part. I mentioned something about soft skills yesterday. Start here. Network. Blessing mentioned that she got a full-time job from someone that recommended that through open source festival, right? Be intentional about it, like meet other people, explain what you do to them. Even if you are just starting out, let them know you are a technical writer. I'm an inspiring technical writer. This is what interests me. This is what I want to do. And don't just go and say, oh, I love your dress. Yes, you love our dress, but at the same time, like sell yourself, put yourself out there, and be ready to make maximum use of the opportunities. Thank you.
Yeah, she forgive me. Okay, thank you very much, Omotola. That was quite motivating. I mean, we don't need motivation here. Please clap for her now. She came to motivate us. Even though money is the goal. I can never be poor. Please tell your neighbor, I can never be poor. I will never be poor. Because if you see, just try to check Eddie Young's Twitter feed. You will know that you can never be poor. Please tell your neighbor again, I can never be poor. All right, please, a round of applause for yourselves. Thank you, everyone, for coming out here today.